Hello friends, my name is Raviraj Ramchandra Datta. I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, Department of Basic Science. Section related. Subject POP. Topic input output device of computer. This is a part of computer encapsulate device with the help of which is used to feed data to a computer. It characters in interface between the user and the computer. The input device is transforming information into a form of acceptable to computer input devices. In computer, many files of hardware that second data of to the computer, allowing the you interact with a control it. The data may be in the form of text, commands, images, audio, or video. Output devices. This is the part of the computer encapsulate the device with the help of which user receives the information from the computer. Output device transform the output from the computer into a form understandable by the users. An output device is a piece of hardware that receives the data from the computer. As well as this data used to display the information to user in some form. Through this article, input and output devices, we shall review the various input and output devices which can be attached to a computer along with their function. Devices of computer, a piece of hardware or equipment that enable the user to enter the data in a computer called input device. Some the commonly used input units in a computer systems are as follows: keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, graphics cable, microphone, magnetic link card reader, optical character reader, barcode reader, optical mark reader. Keyboard. The keyboard is the most frequent and widely used in the input devices for entering the data into a computer. Although there are some additional keys forming the other operation, the keyboard layout is similar to that typical typer right. Generally, keyboards are come into 84 or 102 keys, but currently keyboard with the 104 to 108 keys also available for the Windows and Internet. Types of key. Numerical key. It is used to enter the numeric data or move the cursor. It is usually consist as a set of 17 key. Type of keys. Control key. This is control the pointer and screen. Their focus functional arrow keys. It is home and insert alt, alt delete control or enter caps are all control keys. Special key. Enter shift caps lock tab etc. And print are amount of function keys are on the keyboard. Functions key are 12 from F1 to F12 on the topmost row. The most common pointing device is the mouse. The mouse is used to move a little course of across the screen while clicking and dragging. The cursor will be stopped if you let go of the mouse. The computer is dependent on the move the mouse. It won't be moved by the itself. As a result, it is an input. The mouse is an input device that is lets you move the mouse flat and surface to control the coordinates and movement of the screen on the screen or cursor point. The left mouse button can be used to select or move items, while the right mouse button, when the clicked, display the extra menus. Joystick. A joystick is a pointing device that is used to move a cursor on the computer screen. A spherical ball is attached to both the bottom and the top end and stick. In a socket, the lower spherical ball slides. You can move the joystick in all the four directions. Light pen. A light pen is a type of the pointing device that looks like a pen. It can be used as select menu items or draw a monitor on the screen. A photocell and optical system are enclosed a tiny tube. When the tip of the light pen is moved across the monitor screen while the pen bottom is pushed, the photocell sensor limited identify the screen location and provide the signals to the CPU. Output device of the computer. When we have already studied what the output device and its definition. Now let me us have a look at the output devices of the computer. We know that computer used to output devices to display the results or information of in different formats, include tags, images, sounds, printed copies. Now let me us know the top 10 output devices used for the fetching results and information which are known as the output devices of a computer. Example output devices: monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, projector, GPS, plotter, blurrier embers, emphatic device, 3D printer. The monitor, also known as a visual display unit, or a computer primary output device. It can create the images by arraying the small dots, or known as the pixel, in rectangular pattern. The amount of pixel determine the image's sharpness. The two kinds of viewing screens used for the monitor are describable below. Cathode ray tube monitor pixel are pixel minuscule visual elements that make up a CRT display. The higher images are quality or resolution of the similar of the pixel. Flat panel display monitor. In the comparison to the CRT, flat panel display is a type of video display with the less volume, weight, and power consuming. They can live well or work the wrist. The printer are the output devices that allow the to output information on a paper. There are certain types of printer which added the described below: impact printer, character printer, line printer, non-impact printer, laser printer, inkjet printer.